Aslam-u-Alaikum guys. Welcome back to another video. In this video today I am gonna prove that why evolution theory cannot be perfect for our origin, that how we came into being. And I am literally not just firing in the air like saying anything what I want. Here you go. Just look at this clip.
Not what the mathematicians are saying, but what the mathematically conscious biologists are saying. Now, one of my friends in Oxford is a very distinguished biologist, Professor Dennis Noble, and he has just made absolutely clear. He said neo-Darwinism, that is the modern synthesis, that the
standard textbook theory that we all learn.
natural selection and mutation doesn't need to be improved. It needs to be replaced. And he almost was quoting someone like Lynn Margulis, another very distinguished person, who said it's dead. So these are people who know about the calculations, who know about the complexity, and saying from that perspective, it's dead.
Haha, khalas. It means that now we can say that neo-Darwinism, not according to me only, but also a major scientist, it is dead. Now let's maybe some many atheists or like some people may say that Dennis Noble also suggests a theory of evolution that is known as the third way of evolution. Let's talk about that. So you can just stop the video and read the PDFs because it may take a long time if I tell you step by step all things. So if we come on the result, so according to the Dennis Noble, the evolution is not like random changes in the genes. It is a very rich process in which all the body organs, many body organs, and the environment itself, the interaction of environment is involved. But as for neo-Darwinism, also many other people like take out the weaknesses of this theory. For example, here's a list. As you can see, as shown in the list, the theory has many weaknesses, and also a major point that the theory cannot be accepted, inshallah, until the theory can be testable. On this, the response of Dennis Noble himself was the theory is too much complex and involves too much complex systems, so it cannot be testable. But I think so that theory should be testable if. And also a major point that this theory says that it also involves the interaction of the environment. So I have a question that why are also there are black people in America as well as with the white people? So why they are not of the same type? I have one more question that like you can also research it that evolution is also due to the genetic mutations. So many times, majority times, the genetic mutations are abnormal, means like it is not in the favor of humanity. So why by these genetic mutations a very well proper developed human being can be formed by a literally single cell? And I also have one question that the minimum gene theory that we least need some set of genes for an organism. So where the first cell evolved, how the first cell ever came into the being. And also according to the rule of thumb, that is a rule in the philosophy that a thing cannot cause itself. So I have a question that if a single cell cannot cause itself, so there must be some external force that created him, and we know him as a God or Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So that was the video. I hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing and share it so that it may become Sadaqah Jariyah for you if anyone watches. And if you want the list of the all the miracles and all the things, just comment down below just comment me down, and inshallah you will get the list. No problem. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.